a very good afternoon and welcome back to Facebook News with me and Sonia. Now we're at the place which is called Market Square in Ramsey, where as you can see behind me all the classic cars and motorbikes behind me. Now it really does show you how times have changed throughout the years, from today's cars to the classic cars and motorbikes. So Sonia is going to very kindly go over and she is going to show you what all the classic cars are there, and join me very back here for another news bulletin. So for me and Sonia, so far it's a very good afternoon from Ramsey Christmas shopping.